Hi everyone, so today we'll be making this little button pipe cleaner flower. And you see it looks like this. You can make it look a little different depending on what buttons you use, and if you use a different color green pipe cleaner, whatever you want. It's just what I used. So yeah. So what you'll need is buttons. I have these 5 white ones. They don't all match perfectly because these came in my random button box, but they're pretty close. You'll need a pipe cleaner and your stem color, which green is best. I'm using this light green one. And then you'll need scissors if you want to cut the stem shorter or whatever, but you might need scissors, I'm not sure. Depends on what you want to do. What you're first going to do is take one button, stick it, there's 2 holes in each of my buttons. Stick it through one, just a little ways, fold it over, just a little tiny bit, you don't want a whole lot, and then give it a little twist, just so that it's attached. And now we'll be working from the other end. Take your next button, whatever one you want to use next, and slide it all the way down. And then you fold it like this, and then you twist. And then you smush them together and overlap them a little bit like that. And you take your next button. This is also going to be a very top heavy flower because it's all buttons. So you may need to get your second pipe cleaner and double it too. And then you take this, fold it over. Make sure you actually fold it enough you can actually twist it. Don't just like not twist it enough you can twist because it won't be attached as well. Then you like this. And then you twist it over so it's underneath the next one like that. And you take the next one. So you leave a little bit of space. Pull it over. Twist it. And then put it under this one. So now this is what we got. I'm going to do the last one. Pull it over like that. Twist it because that just keeps it all connected good. And then you just kind of just adjust them a little bit so that it looks the way you like it to look. So, just gotta twist it and pull and move it around and stuff. And smush. Lots of smushing. And there. That's what it looks like. You could use like pink buttons or colored ones. I just don't have a whole lot that match, so I found 5 white and that match. And then boom, you have a flower. And if you'll notice, this is what it does. So since it's really small, I'm not going to need all this stem. I'm not going to need to cut it off. I can just fold this in half. And then just give it a few twists here and there to keep it folded and it doesn't untwist itself. And if you really want, you can fold the end a bit over so that it doesn't like stab you, because that would be painful. You just twist it so that it stays together. You also make sure your last petal doesn't like untwist itself, because that would not be fun. Mine tried, because I started just twisting without thinking. And there's your flower. And you could add like leaves, and you can tilt it a little bit, whatever you want. But there, there's a button flower with a pipe cleaner. And even when you double the stem, then it stands up on its own. It makes it a lot less floppy and more cute. You don't need that long stem with a small flower. So if you like button and pipe cleaner crafts, give this a thumbs up. Comment down below any ideas you have, and I can try them because I'm always open to ideas. And subscribe. Bye!